Welcome to the CAVILUX HF laser illumination setup video. Here's what you get with your typical order of CAVILUX HF. CAVILUX HF laser unit, CAVILUX HF power supply, CAVILUX HF control unit, armored light guide, laser cable, laser power cable, adjustable illumination optics, spare protective windows, hex key, safety keys, remote interlock override plugs, RIL plug, control unit DC adapter, installation CD, which includes the control software and the user's manual, USB cable, laser safety goggles, and a storage case for your CAVILUX HF. Before setting up the laser unit, please go through the CAVILUX HF user's manual found on your installation CD, as it provides essential safety information vital to the installation and operation of the CAVILUX HF. Please place the laser unit on a firm and stable surface, and in case of excessive radiation, heat, vibration, or other mechanical forces, ensure that the laser unit and the illumination are properly protected and secured. Here's how you install the optics. Loosen the light guide locking screw on the laser unit fiber connector. Remove and safely secure the safety cap. Install the light guide with the flat side facing up. Gently tighten the locking screw. Thread the end of the light guide inside the housing of the focusing lens. Gently tighten the locking screw in the lens housing. Please do not use excessive force. Connect the laser cable to the laser unit by matching the threads. Connect the laser power cable to the laser unit by matching the threads. Connect the laser power cable to the laser power supply unit by matching the threads. Connect the laser power supply unit's AC power cord. Control unit installation. Check that the status of the control unit key-operated master control is set to off. Connect your RIL circuit to the RIL connector. Connect the D9 connector of the laser cable to the laser connector of the control unit. Connect the control unit DC power supply. In case that the control unit is used to control the camera, connect a B and C cable between the cam connector of the control unit and the camera. In case the external synchronization is utilized, connect the external signal source to the trig-in connector of the control unit. In case that an external logic signal is used for activating and disabling the outputs, connect the external logic signal source to the SMIO connector of the control unit. In order to program the control unit, connect the USB cable between the computer and the control unit. Make the connection only after the computer has fully started. Connect the DC power adapter to your AC outlet. Turn on the laser unit power supply. Open the mechanical shutter on the laser unit. Wear your safety goggles. To turn the system on, simply turn the key to the on position and wait for the 10-second initiation time indicated by a blinking yellow light. Press on the start-stop button to start the laser. Press on the start-stop button again to stop the laser. CAVILUX Control software installation. Before installing the software, please disable your internet connection, antivirus, firewall, and make sure the Check Apps and File option on Windows 10 is disabled. You may need to run the installation as system administrator, depending on your computer settings. Make sure you turn everything back to the way it was after installation process. Click on the CAVILUX control unit installation found on your installation CD. Click on Next to begin installation. Click on I agree after reading the terms. Click on Next after ensuring CAVILUX control and sample patterns are selected. Choose a destination folder or click on Next for the default install folder. Click on Install. Click on Extract in the Drivers page. Click on Next. Choose I accept the agreement after reading it and click Next. Click on Finish. Click Next. Click Finish. To run the software, click on the CAVILUX control unit shortcut. Here is a sample setup of the CAVILUX HF. In this case, the laser is set as master. Make sure that the speed mode is set to normal. Set the internal sync to continuous. Set the frequency to 25 Hz. In the pulse patterns, set the camera duration to 10 microseconds and the laser duration to 1 microsecond, with both values for the pulse delay kept at 0. Click on Set to update the control unit. Click on Start to start the pulse. Click on Stop to stop the pulse. For a more in-depth guide and different setup parameters, please refer to the CAVILUX HF User's Manual.
For more information, please visit our website cavitar.com.